here is how you can look at a recently deleted emails on the iPhone. So if you are new on Foxtecc, subscribe right now and we can get into it. So as you know, if you go to your emails and locate one of them, you can obviously hold it down on it or get inside and click on the trash, right? And it will be like moved away into the recently deleted emails folder. But where exactly is it? You can see right now my inbox is empty, and what I need to do is to click on the left arrow in the top corner like so, and I want to get to the mailboxes section. So in my case, I'm both logged in with the iCloud as well as Gmail. So it's important to know where you deleted it from. So that email which I just deleted was part of iCloud. So I'm going to need to find the iCloud section. If it's looking like this, I need to expand it and find the trash folder. You can see this email is now inside, and I get to decide that I can click on the trash once again, or click on the folder and move it back to the inbox or other folders potentially. But this is where you can find it. It's called trash, not really recently deleted, but it's basically the same principle. If you, of course, deleted a Gmail email, right? So for example, this promotional stuff, whatever, right? I'm going to click on the move as well and move it to the trash, right? If that's the case, that I deleted it from Gmail, then I need to look for junk within Gmail, right? So as you can see, this is where you can find it. So many other things. The actual trash, right? So this is where it is. And this one has been deleted from the Gmail address. But the important part is that at the top, you have it all kind of like mixed and put together, meaning that the trash in the top combines both or even more email addresses. So this is like all trash, and this one has been deleted from the iCloud mail, this one from Gmail, but it's all kind of like put together nicely in one app. So that's something that you probably need to know about as well. Let me know your thoughts and opinions specifically about this. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.